Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. As we know that we are reading an extraordinary feat and the topic is related from the Olympic sports and when and how it started. So firstly, we have understood it when it starts, and we have known and understood about the James Owens also. And James Owens is the main figure here, and in main characters he had become a national figure in athletics. So we have already studied it, and from the next para we have to understand and we have to study. Given the Owens slender means, it would have been difficult for him to continue with athletics. For ओवेंस के लिए यह बहुत बड़ा जो है सो डिफ़िकल्टी था, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम था कि वह इस चीज़ को कंटिन्यू कर सके. आई वुड हैव बीन डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर हिम टू कंटिन्यू विद एथलेटिक्स, बट लकली हिज फादर फाउंड अ स्टडी जॉब्स. लेकिन उसके पापा को एक अच्छी नौकरी मिल गई. Owens could now attend college at Ohio State University. Now, the problem is finished because his father got a steady job, good job, and Owens could now attend college at Ohio State University. और इसी दरमियान ओवेन ने जो है सो ओहिलो स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी के कॉलेज में जो है सो दाखिला ले लिया. देयर ही सून केम टू बी नोन एज द बकाई एंड बुलेट इन रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ हिज स्पीड ऑन द ट्रैक. Owens 45 minutes feat of athletics excellence came when he was enrolled at Ohio State University. There he earned a lot of name and fame in the field of Buckeye and bullet in recognition of his speed on the track. ट्रैक के ऊपर में जो बुलेट की स्पीड थी, for that he got a lot of recognition. And Owens 45-minute feat of athletic excellence came when he was enrolled at Ohio State University. 45 minutes का जो एथलेटिक एक्सलेंस था वह बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ़ था. एंड ओवेंस वाज इनरोल्ड एट ओहिलो स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी. और ओहिलो स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी में उसको क्या किया गया, इनरोल्ड कर दिया गया. ओवेंस नेक्स्ट ग्रेट मोमेंट वाज ड्यूरिंग द 1936 ओलंपिक्स इन बर्लिन. नाउ द सेकेंड चांस ही गॉट and second chance came in his life. This was the great moment for him, and that great moment was during the 1936 Olympics in Berlin, which is held in Berlin in 1936. By this time Owens was a world renowned athlete, and by this time he became a world renowned means famous athlete whose feats were already spoken of with awe. Over the space of a week, Owens demonstrated to the world at large, and through that achievement Owens became already so great and earned a lot of name and fame. But one thing I want to tell, he became great by dint of his labor, by virtue of his action and thought. And he demonstrated to the world at large his dominance of track and field events. On 3 August 1936, Jesse won his first gold medal for the 100-meter events. What a great achievement for him. It was occurred on 3 August 1936, and he won his first gold medal for the 100 meters event. और उसे 100 मीटर्स इवेंट के लिए जो है सो उसने गोल्ड जीते, और इट इज़ हेल्ड इन 3 अगस्त 1936, और ये कब हुआ? 3 अगस्त 1936 को. सो दिस वाज द गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर जेसी ओवेंस. This was followed on 4th August 1936 by the long jump. Owens had nearly been disqualified from this event. This was followed, यह जो है सो देखा गया, इसके ऊपर सोचा गया on 4th August 1936. The day was 4th August and the year was 1936. By the long jump के द्वारा इसे देखा गया. Owens had nearly been disqualified from this event, and calculating after he had nearly been disqualified from this event. मतलब इस इवेंट से उसे क्या किया गया? डिस्क्वालीफाइड कर दिया गया. His first 2 jumps in the qualifying round had been declared fall as he had crossed the takeoff line on both attempts. मतलब पहले के 2 जंप इन द क्वालिफाइंग राउंड, जो क्वालिफाइंग राउंड के लिए था, हैड बीन डिक्लेयर्ड फॉल, उसको फॉल घोषित कर दिया गया, एज ही हैड क्रॉस्ड द टेक ऑफ लाइन ऑन बोथ अटैम्प्ट्स, जबकि उसने दोनों ही अटैम्प्ट्स में टेक ऑफ लाइन को क्या किया था? क्रॉस्ड किया था. ओवेंस वॉज फ्लस्टर्ड बिकॉज ही वॉज नाउ लेफ्ट विद ओनली 1 जंप टू क्वालिफाई, and Owens became so frustrated because he was now left with only 1 jump to qualify, because उसके पास अब एक ही जंप बचा हुआ था क्वालिफाई करने के लिए. At this moment, one of the other competitors, Louis Long, decided to give him some advice. ठीक उसी क्षण एक दूसरा कंपेटिटर्स जिसका नाम लूज लॉन्ग था, उसने डिसाइड किया, ही डिसाइडेड टू गिव हिम सम एडवाइस, कि उसको कुछ एडवाइस दिया जाए. लूज टोल्ड ओवेंस टू जंप फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस वे बिफोर द टेक ऑफ लाइन फॉर द फाइनल जंप. लूज ने ओवेंस से कहा कि टू जंप फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस वे, कि डिस्टेंस वे से आप क्या करो? जंप करो. बिफोर द टेक ऑफ लाइन फॉर द फाइनल जंप, मतलब टेक ऑफ लाइन से पहले, और किसके लिए? फॉर द फाइनल जंप, मतलब फाइनल जंप के लिए. ही वॉज श्योर, वह निश्चिंत हो गया, दैट ओवेंस कुड ईजिली जंप द क्वालिफाइंग डिस्टेंस इवन विद अ जंप फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस दैट वॉज वेल शॉर्ट ऑफ द टेक ऑफ मार्क. ओवेंस टुक हिज एडवाइस एंड क्वालिफाइड ऑन हिज लास्ट जंप. लूज लॉन्ग के एडवाइस से ओवेन जो है सो क्वालिफाई कर गया, और उसके एडवाइस से बहुत ज़्यादा ओवेंस के लिए काम कर गया. एंड फाइनली हिज लास्ट जंप, ही वॉज क्वालिफाइड ऑन हिज लास्ट जंप. इवेंचुअली ओवेंस बीट लॉन्ग इन द फाइनल्स टू विन द गोल्ड मेडल. और वास्तव में ओवेंस जो है सो लॉन्ग को फाइनल्स राउंड में क्या किया, हरा दिया, एंड टू विन द गोल्ड मेडल, और फिर वह जो है सो क्या जीता, गोल्ड का मेडल जीता। एंड लॉन्ग वाज द फर्स्ट टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट हिम, और लॉन्ग ही पहला इंसान था जिसने ओवेंस को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया। ओवेंस declared later, "You can melt down all the medals and cups I have, and they would not be planting on the 24-carat friendship I felt for Luj Long at that moment." So, Owens declared later. Later means बाद में। So how Owens covered his journey in the field of athletics, and how he maintained himself after getting some tips from Luj Long, because he was one of the best character for Owens, and getting some tips, Owens maintained himself for competition. It helped a lot more in life of Owens, especially in the field of jumping, especially in the field of athletics, and through that tips he was qualified on his last jump. Owens beat Long in the finals to win the gold medals. Very, very great opportunity for Owens. After getting some tips by Luj Long, he won the gold medal. So great time for him and great achievement for him. And Long was the first person, one who congratulated him. पहला इंसान था लॉन्ग जिसने ओवेंस को बधाई दिया, and it was the great moment for him. How to win after getting some tips. This is the great things for Owens, because he was an active one and his goal was to clear, his destination was clear, how to qualify in long jump, because some confusion was created in his brain and he was disappointed, but getting some tricks he maintained himself, and finally he got a chance, and in last jump he was qualified and and won a gold medal. So through the story of Owens, we have studied, we have known the situation of Owens' life, the condition of athletics, and how in the field of athletics, in the field of sports, we can maintain ourselves. This is the main part and this is important. So don't be nervous whenever you are going to take a part in the field of like this. So this is competition and this matter depends on you, and always this matter depends on the practice. So without practice, you can't do that, and you can't qualify in it, because this is not easy things, and you will have to focus on it. After doing it, you can amend yourself, you can amend in the field of sports. So I mean to say, you will have to study it, and you have to read from you can melt down to page number 4, and that will be the last part of this story, and I will expostulate you. I will explain this remaining part in next class, and today you have to read this particular text. This is the work for you, and you have understood the circumstances and understood the explanation of this particular lesson, particular topic, and which is taught by me, and starting from given the Owen's synonyms to Owen's declared letter. So it's very, very funny and very, very typical, but Owen's the great person who hadn't lose heart, who hadn't taken any pressure, and always be in the form of relaxation. He was able to win that. So it's very, very important for all of us, especially class 7. So have to read the text, because in next class the chapter will finish, the topic will finish, and you will have to write the summary as a homework. Okay, thanks.